Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this Louis Vuitton Odyssey bag from Coe Bags. I've worked with them a million times at this point. They are one of my favorites for high quality reps. They have so many different designers on their website, ranging from Louis Vuitton, Dior, Gucci, Chanel, and so many others. So let's go ahead and unbox this bag. And this is one of Louis Vuitton's newer bags, so it's not really talked about a lot, but when I saw it I was like, this is so cute, because it gave me a cross of being like a regular purse slash backpack. Okay guys, so it did come with the box. We're just gonna go ahead and look at her. This is kind of a big bag. I thought it was gonna be smaller, but it's kind of like a medium-sized bag. So it does come with like the bag if you want to, and little receipts. So there's that. So here it is. We do have a dust bag that it comes in, and then the actual bag. So here it is. Oh, sorry. Here it is, guys. So I think I was supposed to put the strap to the bag. So this one, it has this extra strap, so you can remove it if you don't want it on there. Honestly, I'm probably only going to wear it with one strap, so I would wear it like this, and then I just need to drawstring it in more so that it has more of that backpack look. But you see how it looks like a backpack, but it doesn't have the two back straps. It's like a backpack, but you're wearing it on the shoulder. So I just thought that was very different about this bag. So this is the inside, plenty of space to put stuff. It doesn't have any compartments or anything on the inside, but I do like that the sides of the bag have these little pockets, so it's like you could put stuff there if you wanted to. So that was a nice touch about the bag, and it does say Louis Vuitton in the back of it. So I'm just going to drawstring it so you guys can get a better visual of what this bag looks like. So of course you would undrawstring it to get into it, and it just pops closed, and this is what the bag looks like. So this is it. I feel like it's very different, and then it has the adjustable straps on here, little loops, so you can make it tighter or longer. I feel like I would want this bag to be a bit more tighter, more snug. I wouldn't want to wear it long ways, but yeah, this is it. Super cute. I love the quality of the bag. The quality is nice, and then you can just see like the LV detail up close, and then the extra strap looks like this. And so this is what I mean, it would be more like going to the back. So let me, because I had it going to the front, which I think was wrong. So put this on. So now it's like this. So honestly, you could wear it in some different ways, because you could take this off and just have this strap on here and then carry it, or you could have like this and then and then I can make it short like that. So yeah, that's cool. I like that about this. So you can definitely style this in some different ways. So this will be a fun bag to play around with. Really nice. So I will have a discount code included for you guys in the description box below, plus a link to the website and all that good stuff. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.